अगर अगर आप लोगों को ये बताया जाए कि ultra high temperature sterilized milk is the milk which has the long shelf life and it is sterilized at 150 degrees centigrade for few seconds or at 135 to 140 centigrade for 1 to 2 seconds. These are the requirement of the ultra high temperature milk that separate packaging should be made depending upon the 1 liter or half liter packaging uh, cart, this carton. And these tetra brick cartons are essentially used for increasing the shelf life of machine to about 6 months. A cluster, a cluster system has come again to reduce the packaging cost and to reduce the number of packaging layer to 5. However, in case of UST Tetra brick system, 6 layers are there. Here, in case of a cluster system, about 3 months life has been achieved. So now, if I share this slide, in this slide, what I have written, you can read yourself, and I can also read for you. I can explain that this is a different than FFS machine in that the packaging material is multi-layered. It is not single layer. The filling is done in an absolutely aseptic condition. There is no entry of any microbes during the filling, no contamination at all. This is done by keeping the HEPA filters uh, for supplying the air into the room, that is the air conditioned under positive pressure, that no air can come from outside to inside because the pressure is high inside the room. If it will go, then the air will go from the room to the outside, not from outside to the inside. No contamination is possible in the sterilized packaging group. Okay, so this is very much essential that aseptic condition is maintained. Do you know why the aseptic is required? That you have to increase the shelf life of the machine, shelf life of the product in the packet. Here, Tetra brick aseptic filling machine has been generally made by Tetra, um, Tetra company that is in Pune. The packaging material is first sterilized. You should know that material has to be sterilized, and then this is formed into the Tetra tube and then Tetra brick. The tube is filled with the product and then shaped and cut into individual packages by the packaging system. Tetra Pak Company, Pune. Here you can see that Tetra brick filling machines are built from the so-called modules and also have this following additional equipment and accessories like ASU, automatic splicing unit, then full tab unit, then strip applicator, peroxide bath, jar system, final folding, operator panel. This is the system of the machine, and this is also one system, Tetra Pak TBA19 aseptic filling machine, and this is the packet which is made top transversal seam, and this is the bottom flap, This is longitudinal creases, and here is the bottom flap and bottom creases, bottom fin. So these are the different figures available for image showing packaging terminology. Creases are the folding instructions on the packaging material to ensure the creases packages final shape. Longitudinal seal is accomplished when forming the packaging tube. Packaging material seals into a tube. There is a need of longitudinal seal by electrode, electric current. It seals the package along the side. A strip of laminated plastic, the LS strips covers the seal on the inside. The area of the overlap joint is called the longitudinal overlap. The transfer seal is made when the tube is filled with the product. The it seals the package at the top for the uh, new package, no, for the old package, and at the bottom for the new package at a time. The sealing takes place below the product level in the tube. The fins are the areas at the top and bottom of the package where it is sealed and fins cut. Now let us now see what are the packaging terminology you have seen. Now, part by part, if you want to see. So the first part is the automatic expressing unit expresses reels of packaging material. This means that production can continue uninterrupted when one reel of packaging material comes to an end during splicing, though the packaging material has to remain still in the splicing head. क्या मतलब है? एक रोल खत्म नहीं होने पाएगा, दूसरा रोल आकर के अनइंटरप्टेड शुरू हो जाएगा. एक रील ऑफ पैकेजिंग मटेरियल खत्म नहीं होने पाएगी, दूसरा रोल आके शुरू हो जाएगा. और the magazine provides the necessary supply of material so that the machine does not have to stop. Full tag unit को आप थोड़ा सा अलग कर दें. is additional equipment providing the packaging material with a full tag opening before it enters the process box. वह क्या करता है ये full tag unit? Full tag opening is created by punching a hole in the packaging material. Full tag opening is created by punching a hole in the packaging material. The hole is sealed with plastic on the inside and aluminum on the outside. After that, it will go into the hydrogen peroxide bath, where the temperature of the hydrogen peroxide is about 30 degrees centigrade atmospheric temperature, and the concentration is about 35% concentration, 30 to 35% concentration, and some aseptic filling systems use hot bath of hot peroxide to sterilize the container or container material. कहाँ पे गया ये? This strip applicator applies a plastic strip, LS strip, along one edge of the packaging material. This strip is applied on the inside of the packaging material. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको strength देना है, and is intended to prevent products from being soaked by the uh, graph paper edge of the longitudinal seam. So there should be LS strip should be given, which will avoid the product to be soaked by the graph paper edge. This strip also support the seam. दूसरा काम इसका है कि सीम को सपोर्ट करती है. One half of the LS strip is sealed to this edge of the packaging material. The other half will be sealed to the other diameter. When the packaging material forms into a tube. The packaging material will be sterilized into the peroxide bath before filling. Peroxide bath, the packaging material will be immersed into warm peroxide and both sides will be sterilized. Both sides, अंदर बाहर दोनों sterilize करना. In machines with shallow baths, the inside of the packaging material will merely be covered with cold peroxide. In machines with shallow baths, the inside of the packaging material will be covered with cold peroxide, and the sterilization will be finished in the tube heater. The packaging material will be dried in the aseptic chamber with the heating air and aseptic जो गीला हो गया उसको ठंडा करेगा. An aseptic environment around the sterilized packaging material is maintained with an overpressure of heat sterilized air. This takes place in the aseptic chamber. Machine with shallow baths which have no aseptic chamber, heat sterilized air will be blown into the tube itself for drying of the tube. This way a sterile area is maintained where the tube is to be filled with the product. The packaging material will be formed into a tube and sealed longitudinally. Finally, the tube will be filled with the product while the horizontal sealing will complete. Horizontal sealing जब कंप्लीट होगा तभी उसी टाइम इंजेक्शन चैम्बर से इंजेक्ट होगा. Jar system. In the jar system, the tube is sealed transversely and cut into separate packages while the filling is also completed. The sealing is made by induction heating using the aluminum in packaging material to melt the plastic. बताइए ऊपर नीचे बीच में एल्यूमिनियम है, ऊपर नीचे जो है प्लास्टिक है और फिर जो है कार्डबोर्ड है, फिर वो ऊपर प्लास्टिक है, नीचे प्लास्टिक है. इस तरह से जो है ये काम चलता है. It is important that the packaging design with the creases I will try to see that I have written some place that 6 layers क्या क्या है. कभी-कभी मैं याद नहीं रखता हूँ. I'll send you 6 layers. First is the cardboard, plastic, aluminum, plastic, cardboard, plastic, aluminum, 3 हुआ, तो plastic 4 हुआ, फिर यहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं, important that the package design with the creases appearing according to the charts. The films are folded and the flaps are folded and sealed. Hot air is used to seal the flaps. The plastic outer coating on the package material is heated and the flaps are pressed against the sides and the bottom of the package and the plastic gets glued to the plastic seal. service unit includes parts and supply of systems needed for the machine function. For example, water and air systems, lubrication and hydraulic oil systems, pneumatic and control systems. Drive system. The drive system includes motor, gear, and tank. These parts run discharge system and also machines. I will show you when we go to this. These are the different packages of the tetrabed. I will show how to manage it. और बताइए आप लोग कैसे हैं आप लोग? हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
ठीक है सर।
अब
ठीक
आप
है
लोग
सर।
एग्जाम का क्या होगा? एग्जाम के लिए क्या मना कर दिया क्या?
नहीं सर, एग्जाम आप लीजिएगा तब ना।
नहीं, ऑर्डर नहीं है ना, ऑर्डर मना हो गया वहां से ना, यूनिवर्सिटी से ऑर्डर आया था।
हाँ सर।
अभी एग्जाम नहीं लेना है
सर, हम लोग का कोई दुख दर्द नहीं समझता है।
क्या
ऑनलाइन
हुआ? क्या कह रहा है?
सर बोल रहा है अभी, मतलब ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा है इंटरनल देके, बोला एग्जाम एक्सटर्नल नहीं लेने के लिए। ऐसा इंटरनल तो आप लोग
इंटरनल को मना कर दिया ना।
तो सर आप
इंटरनल हम लोग जो लेने जा रहे थे उसी का ऑर्डर आ गया कि नहीं लेना। हम लोग तो लेने जा रहे थे
सर, लेकिन आप लोग पे डिपेंड करता है सर।
नहीं, यूनिवर्सिटी से पर डिपेंड करता है, हमारे पर क्या डिपेंड करता है? यूनिवर्सिटी ऑर्डर कर देगा नहीं लेना है तो हम लोग कैसे ले देंगे? क्यों ऑर्डर कर रहा है नहीं लेना है पता नहीं है?
सर जानते हैं सर, मतलब इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ईयर में वेकेशन छुट्टी था, तो हम लोग में नहीं था, हम लोग क्लास रेगुलर था।
तो
भी यही है।
फिर क्या कह रहा है?
तो उन लोग का छुट्टी था तो उसका उन लोग का सेशन लेट होता, हम लोग का तो रेगुलर क्लास था तो सेशन लेट हो जाएगा, उसके चलते दिक्कत हो जाएगा। बिहार सरकार से यूनिवर्सिटी को देखते हैं।
वो बिहार सरकार ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहा है, कैसे होगा? क्या बिहार
सरकार
को
पता नहीं
एग्जाम लेने का ऑर्डर नहीं दे रहा?
सर
हाँ
सर, अगर कॉलेज अगस्त में खुलती है सर,
हाँ,
तो अगस्त में सर हम लोग का इंटरनल होगा और सितंबर में सर एक्सटर्नल।
नहीं बस हम ये बता रहे हैं कि